The red-eyed tree frog.
Amphibian. Amphibian means double life because they live on land as adults and lived in water as larvae. This is a scientific name for the red-eyed tree frog.
Linnean classification. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species.
Evolution. Scientists found several fossils that indicate the various lines of lobe-finned fish once evolved into the frog. There have been recent discoveries of transitional fossils that help explain the detail and skeletal formations of the frog's recent ancestors. Ancestors. The lobe-finned fish. Bony fish that later evolved into fleshy fins supported by more substantial bones. Salamander. Types of cold-blooded amphibians that must live in humid and damp environments. Adaptations. The red-eyed tree frog has 3 eyelids to protect their eyes. Their eyes also scare away any predators. Their blue and green markings disappear when they are sleeping, which makes them better camouflaged, and they usually stay under wet leaves to prevent from dehydration.
Carnivores. The red-eyed tree frog is a carnivore, which means they only eat insects, including crickets, grasshoppers, flies, and some small frogs.
Symbiosis. When one or both organisms rely on one another. Frogs do not have a symbiotic relationship with any other organism.
Extracellular digestion. The process by which food is broken down outside cells in the digestive system and then absorbed. Respiration. The red-eyed tree frog has alveola. Alveola produces an enormous surface area for gas exchange.
Circulation. The amphibian heart has 3 chambers, 2 arteria, and 1 ventricle. The left atria receives oxygen-rich blood from the lungs. The right atria receives oxygen-poor blood from the body. They both empty into the ventricle. Excretion. The elimination of metabolic waste such as ammonia. Amphibian converts ammonia into urea, which is excreted in urine. Nervous system. A frog's brain includes the cerebrum,
External fertilization. Frogs reproduce sexually by laying eggs. They are also oviparous species, which means embryo develops eggs outside the parents' bodies. Embryo development. Amphibians undergo metamorphosis. Metamorphosis is a development process that leads to dramatic changes in shape and form. Larvae lived in water as tadpoles before they became frogs.
Cold-blooded tree frog. Take on the temperature of their surrounding ectotherm.